Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our exercise 5.3, which was left before the exam of pre-midterm probability. Yes. Now, what is probability? We will discuss on that, and in that we will learn certain terms first. Certain terms are that random experiment, outcomes, event, and probability. Yes, like four things are there. One is random experiment, one is outcomes, one is event, and one is probability. Here, like an example I have taken, I have tossed the coin. I tossed the coin here. It is called a random experiment. It is called a random experiment. What is random experiment? Whose outcomes cannot be determined. Like, if I toss the coin, there are two possible outcomes, head and tail. Yes, and I cannot determine which will come. Either head will come or tail will come. So it is called a random experiment. If we know the outcome, then it is not called random experiment. Now, next, here are the possible outcomes. Outcomes. In case of coin, there are two, head and tail. Second is I am taking dice. There are six possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it clear? More we will discuss, but later. Event. What is an event? Each possible outcome of collection of outcomes is called an event. अगर मैं इसके एग्जांपल की बात करूं तो जैसे in case of coin, you can take as P head. Yes, head, occurring of head is an event. Occurring of head is an event. Occurring of head is an event. ये इंडिविजुअल आउटकम था. अब बात कर लेते हैं कलेक्शन ऑफ आउटकम की. P even number. In case of dice, here it is a collection of P 2, 4 and 6. Yes, here the collection of outcomes 2, 4 and 6. Is it clear? That is also an event, means occurring of even number is also an event. Next is probability. What is probability? Probability. what is probability? Probability means possibility of an event can happen. The possibility of or chance, possibility or you can say or chance of an event can happen is represented by the word probability. Yes. Now, difference between chance and probability. ठीक है. जनरली जो टर्म यूज होती है, जनरली यूज टर्म is that chance, and the mathematically used term is probability. Yes, like we say that the chance is higher for winning is like generally used term, but the more accurate term for explaining the same thing is probability, which we use using the calculations. Yes. Now, the formula. I think you all understand that the things related to that probability. Yes. Random experiment. पहले experiment से start कर लेते हैं. Experiment क्या होता है? Whose outcome we know or don't know. Yes. If we don't know the outcome, yes, which will be happen, then it is called random experiment. Whose outcome cannot be determined, it's what it will be. Clear? And it is called random experiment. Like in science you do, that is called experiment. It is not random experiment because you know the outcome. Yes, if you use the proper chemicals, then the result will be same as mentioned. Yes, as you know the outcome, what will happen. Yes, that will not call random experiment, but random experiment means you don't know. Like you are watching a cricket match. Yes, the team can win the match or team can lose the match. Means you don't know that who will win the match. That means that is a random experiment. Clear? Like toss the coin, getting head or tail is also a random experiment. Throwing a dice is also a random experiment because we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number from that. Yes. Now, outcomes. Clear about it? What are the outcomes? What the possible things can happen, that is called outcomes for an experiment. Like for a random experiment, what are the possible outcomes? Because there is no certain outcome. So what are the possible outcomes is known as outcomes. Like in coin there are 2 head and tail. For dice there are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now next is your event. What is an event? Each possible outcome or collection of outcomes. Collection of outcomes क्या कहलाएगा? Event कहलाएगा या फिर possible outcome जो होगा वो क्या कहलाएगा? Event कहलाएगा. जैसे दोनों का एग्जांपल है. इंडिविजुअल में मिल लिया P of head, probability of getting head. या फिर you can say the occurring of head is an event. Like here, occurring of an even number is a collection of that 2, 4 and 6, 3 possible outcomes. Clear about it? That is also an event. Now what is probability? Probability means the possibility of an event can happen, chance can happen. And next is the difference between chance and probability. Yes, that means chance we generally use, anyone can use, normally we use chance for that, the same word probability. But probability is more accurate in the case of mathematical use. Clear? Now see the next. formulas. Yes, probability of happening an event. It means probability that an event can happen is equal to, is it clear? Two are there, number of trials in which event occurs. Event occurs upon total number of trials. Clear? Mostly used in the case of that formula, mostly used in the case of solving. Yes, number of trials in which event occurs upon total number of trials. That is the first, and the second one is favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes. Clear? Two formulas are there, like in the case of toss हो गया, dice के केस में हो गया, cards, etc. In that case, we use that formula, favorable outcomes upon total possible outcomes. Is it clear? That two formulas we use. Yes, formulas are there. After that, we will learn some basic things and related to that. One is range of probability. Questions I will discuss later. Range of probability is between 0 to 1. 0 to 1, and remember that proper fraction. Proper फ्रैक्शन में होगी, कैसी होगी? प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन के अंदर होगी और किसके बीच में होगी? 0 to 1 के बीच में होगी. एंड P is probability that an event will not happen. अगर कोई इवेंट नहीं, उसका हैपन की प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होती है? पी होती है, अगर नहीं हैपन ही निकालनी है, विल नॉट हैपन, इट इज इक्वल्स टू 1 minus P of E. Yes. And one more important thing is that probability of an event will happen plus probability of event will not happen, the sum is equals to 1. It is clear? The probability of that an event will happen and probability that an event will not happen, the sum is equals to 1. Now, the next thing is there. After that is clear. I think you can find out first the probability of that event and then you will subtract from the 1. Probability of sure event. Probability of sure event. It is equals to 1. Probability of impossible event equals to 0. Like give an example of that like sun will rise in east. The probability will be 1 because it is short, and sun will rise in west, then the probability will be 0 because it is an impossible event. So remember that probability of sure event is 1 and probability of impossible event is 0. Clear about it? Now, regarding one more thing we will study related to the outcome. Now see the first thing. Card deck of cards. Deck of cards. It contains 52 cards. 52 cards except Joker. Joker not included in that, whose probability is 0. Probability of getting it is equal to 0. Remember that the probability of getting a Joker will be 0 because it is not the part of the 52 cards. Clear? Now see that how the 52 cards are divided. Yes, 52 cards mean that is total possible outcomes. Total possible outcomes. Now how that is divided? First that divided in two kind of cards, red and black. 26 and 26. Card pushing will come. So learn that also. Red. Red again divided in two. Yes. Diamond and heart. It's divided into two. Club and spades. It's like that. And club is diamond like that kind of, and heart you all know. Yes, that all are 13. All are 13. These 13 cards. Again they are divided into two. Face card and number card. Four and 3 and 9. Same. Face card and number card. 3, 10. Number cards are 10. Face card and number card. 3, 10. Same for the spade. Face card are 3. Number cards are 10. Okay. Now what are the face cards? There are total 12 cards. 3 into 4. Total 12 cards, which are K, which we call king, Q for queen, and J for jack. Next is there in that number card. One is 1, which also represented by A or as A. Commonly for generally ACU generally for one of speed. Other than that, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In each, total number of number cards are there, that are each 4. For each number there are 4 cards. ठीक है? For each face also there are 4 cards. ठीक है? And total number cards that are 40. 10 into 4. 40 cards. Clear about that? That is related to the cards. Other than that, two I told you earlier also. That is coin, head and tail. Yes. And dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cards, 6 there, 2. So remember that here denominator will be 52 in case of card question. In case of coin question, it will be 2. In case of dice question, the denominator will be 6. Numerator according to the possible outcomes or according to the event. Yes. Now, see the questions related to the exercise. Now see the question given in the book. 6 questions are there. We will see one by one out. First is that here we have to tell the outcomes only. What are the outcomes? Okay. In this case, spinning wheel is given. In this case, the outcomes are A, B, C, and D. How many outcomes are there? 4. Clear? Now, tossing 2 coins together. Is it clear? Tossing 2 coins together. Coin first and coin second. What are the outcomes, possible outcomes for that? That is, one is that it is head. Yes, it fixed. First are fixed when coin 1 is head, coin second. It can be head or it can be tail. Yes. Now, on coin first I have taken tail. It can be head or it can be tail. So there are also 4 possible outcomes. How many outcomes are possible? 4. इस केस में भी कितने possible outcomes है? 2 coins tossed together, there are 4 possible outcomes. One is head, one is head tail, third is tail and head, fourth is tail. Now, question number 2 is based on find the outcomes of prime number, not a prime number, greater than 5, not greater than 5. Yes, and you have to find out their probability also. In question number 6, I have combined both the questions because they are related to each other. Now see that here prime number. पहले हम फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं outcomes. You know the dice. There are 6 possible outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, out of them, which numbers are prime? 2, 3, and 5. 2, 3, and 5 are, and the probability of prime number will be 1, 2, 3. फेवरेबल आउटपुट कितने हैं? 3. टोटल कितने हैं? 6. इसकी हो जाएगी 1/2. फॉर्मूला भी बोल रहा है ना, फेवरेबल आउटकम अपॉन टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम. Now, next is not a prime number. Outcomes which are not a prime number, that are 1, 4, 6, and same, the probability will be P, not a prime number. That bar indicates not here. It is equals to again P upon 6, which is equals to 1/2 in simplest form. Yes. Now, P, a number greater than 5. Outcomes only 1, 6, and the P, a number greater than 5, is equals to 1/6. Because total possible outputs कितने हैं इसके? 6 है. So denominator will remain 6, and it depends on the how many outcomes are there for an event. Probability of number not greater than 5. So outcomes in this case are possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and probability of number not greater than 5 is also equals to 5/6. It is equals to 5/6. Clear about that? Now, see that they were asking the question, the probability of getting D from question 1. That is from first. Now see that how many outcomes are there? Total जो outcomes है वो कितने हैं? 5 है. Yes, इसमें A रिपीट कर लेते हैं एक बार. वैसे A एक ही है, but 2 times आएगा. ठीक है? So टोटल पॉसिबल आउटकम कितने हैं? 5 है. और जो फेवरेबल आउटकम है D के लिए वो कितना है? 1 है. 5 4 plus 1 is repeating. So for D, the possible outcome is 1. So its probability will be 1/5. You can write in decimal form also. It is equal to 0.2. 0.2. Sometimes don't confuse in that. They can give you the percentage also. It is also equals to 20%. Understand that the probability of getting D, you can write in the form of fraction, you can write in the form of decimal, you can write in the form of percentage. So remember that the range of probability of getting D will be 0 to 100%. Same for decimal, 0 to 1. In fraction, a proper fraction between 0 to 1, 0 and 1. Including 0 and 1, 0 for the impossible one and 1 for sure. Now probability of getting A's. As I told you, there are 4 in the case of card, and total possible outcome for in the case of card, that is 52, so it is equal to 1 upon 13. Remember that at some places they consider only one ace, the one or a of spade, one of spade. Only one of spade considered as ace in at some places. In that case, the probability will be 1 upon 52. But in general case, we are considering here that there are 4 aces. There are 4 aces. One of spade, one of club, one of diamond, one of heart. Yes. In that case, the probability will be 1 upon 13. If we consider ace only, the spade, one of spade, then it will be 1 upon 52. Now, it is given that from this one we have to tell that the probability of getting red color. Now see that how many possible outcomes are there? Total possible outcomes 7. How many reds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is equal to 4 upon 7. Next is there a number are written on a slip that are 1 to 10, and we have to tell the number for probability of getting 6, a number less than 6, a number greater than 6, a number of 1 digit. See that? So here the denominator will be 10 because total possible outcomes will always remain 10. Now see, a number 6, it will be only 1 to 10. Number less than 6, there are 5 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are less than 6. Number greater than 6, there are 4 numbers, 7, 8, 9, 10. In less than and greater than we not consider the number. Clear? And 1 digit number, there are 9 1 digit number. How many 1 digit number are there? 9, because 10 is 2 digit number. Clear? Now again the question is given based on a spinning wheel in which 3 green are there, 1 blue is there, 1 is red is there. Find the probability. For green, that will be, see that total possible outcomes are 5. For green it will be 3 upon 5. For blue, इसे इस तरीके से कर सकते हैं, चाहे तो 1 minus probability of blue, which is equals to 1 minus, blue is there 1 upon 5, 5 minus 1 upon 5, which is equals to 4 upon 5. Otherwise you can do directly also, which is not blue, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 are there and 4 upon 5. Clear about it? Do that exercise 5.3 notebook. Thank you.